Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to create test suite in TestNG. Okay. Before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Okay. So what is our agenda? Let's see that. Our agenda is first we'll create testng.xml file. Second, we are going to do discussion on what is test suite. Third thing, we'll be creating the test suite. Okay. So let's see how to create testng.xml file. Very easy steps. Let's open our Eclipse first. See, we are going to discuss test suite. Okay, so there two testng classes are needed. Okay, that's why I am having here two testng classes. Okay, video of these two scripts is already there. I will provide a link of both of them in the description of this video. Kindly watch them. Okay, now let's see how to create a XML file first. So if you want to create testng.xml file, right click any testng class like here. I'm going to right click here Bing test, right click here, then go to the testng option. Okay. And here you will find convert to testng option. Convert to testng option. If you click on this, so here the name of XML file is already given testng.xml. Testng.xml. Fine. So if you want, you can change it as per your need, but I will not change it currently. I will click on finish. So you can see the testng.xml file is already created. If you double click, there is a two sections. You might get confused. There is a design section, which is little ununderstandable, but we are not going to deal with this. We are going to deal with the source. Okay. And here the suite tag is starting here. Suite tag is starting here. So let's discuss what is suite. Test suite is a group of test cases that you people are already aware if you're a tester. The test suite is what? Test suite is group of test cases. Okay. And what is the need of creating test suite? If you want to run in single go the both of script, if we want to run in single go both of test, it is not possible without making suite. You can run individually, right click this and run as what testng test. It is possible to run individually, but I want to run both of this script in this single attempt, but it is not possible. For that you need a testng suite file. For that you need testng suite file. So in this suite you can see only one class is included. This is Bing test. Actually package name dot class name is a pattern which is followed. You can see package name is testng examples dot class name. Dot class name is a process which is followed. Okay, and test tag is starting here and test tag is ending here. Some name of this test is given, so you can change it. It's a user defined. You can change. So name you can give. Okay, it's Bing testing, so I will give the Bing test. Okay. Okay, Bing testing. You can run as a testng suite, but in this suite only one class is there, so it will run only one. I just right click and click on run as testng suite. Okay, so you can see our console, the output is there. Run to failure one, skip one. Okay, why it is skipped? Since there is a, I can say two test is there, but one, the second test is dependent on the first one. That's why. Now I want to run in single go both of classes. How to do? I will copy from test to test and paste here below. You know that the which pattern is followed? Package name dot class name. So package name is same testng examples. Only the class name is going to change. First test example. Okay, first test example. Now what will happen if I run as a testng suite? it will run both of them. One thing that you need to take care, the name of both of tests should not be same. So the first test is on Google. So what I will give name as Google test. So here Google test I will give name as. Okay. I want to run the suite now. Right click, run as TestNG suite. So first Bing test is over, then it will start again browser and it will open the Google. Okay. We are done. Let's open. You can see there is a 3 test total. 3 test. Why? One test is there in the first test example. You can see this also does the title verification of Google. Okay. Now the report will be something like this. And HTML report, how to generate a HTML report, you know that if you seen my previous video. Right click here, refresh. If you refresh your project, you will get the test output as a folder. Into that there is a index.html that you can see. Index.html open with the system editor or web browser. System editor this time. So you can see there was a 3 method. 2 of them get failed. Failed method is what? Bing title verification and title test. Search verification is a skip one. Okay. So we have discussed how to create testng.xml file. Then what is test suite? Test suite is a group of test cases. So this is needed for running script in single go, running multiple test classes, testng classes in single run. Okay. So that's all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye and take care.